Today's video is all about sciatica, that sharp shooting pain that travels from your lower back down through your hips, your buttocks, and legs. If you have ever experienced it, you know how debilitating it can be, right? When the sciatic nerve, the longest nerve in your body, gets compressed or irritated. This can be caused by many reasons. This can be caused by a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, muscle tension, or even emotional stress stored in the body. But here is the good news, you don't have to live with this pain. Today, I'm going to guide you through three powerful natural healing methods: a kitchen herb remedy, EFT tapping, and root chakra healing to help you find relief. Alright? So, find a comfortable seat, grab a notebook if you would like to take notes. Let's begin this healing journey together. Okay? Before jumping into the topic, this is Meghalata welcoming you to my channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you are a regular visitor but yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of the healing videos I post every single day. Let us start with a very powerful anti-inflammatory remedy right from your kitchen. Sciatica pain is often fueled by inflammation around the sciatica nerve, and this ginger turmeric paste will help reduce that inflammation naturally. It gives pain relief very naturally. The ingredients to make this paste is 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil, any oil you can use, and a pinch of black pepper. You know, this black pepper enhances turmeric absorption by 2000%. So add a little bit of black pepper powder. How to make it? In a small bowl, mix your grated ginger, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and coconut oil and stir it well until you have a thick paste. You can apply this paste topically, massage it nicely into your lower back, hips, and along the sciatic nerve pathway. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. You can also place a warm towel over the area to enhance absorption. Another option is you can also take this remedy internally. Add this paste to warm water or milk and drink it once a day. This supports your body's anti-inflammatory response from the inside out. Try it out. It really gives a lot of relief. Why it works? Because ginger contains gingerol, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that reduces nerve pain. And turmeric contains curcumin, which blocks inflammatory pathways and supports nerve health. And coconut oil helps the body absorb turmeric and soothe the tissue. Black pepper, as I already said, contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. This is a very ancient Ayurvedic wisdom passed down for generations. I learned it from my grandma. This is your kitchen pharmacy. Please feel free to use this. Now let's move on to the second healing, which is emotional and energetic layers of sciatica pain. We will release with EFT tapping. We are going to do EFT tapping for pain and emotional root of sciatica. Now be seated comfortably in a quiet place for doing this. Okay? It should take about 4 to 6 minutes. Sciatica is not just physical. Pain in the body often has an emotional or energetic root. The sciatic nerve runs through the root chakra area, the energy center that's connected to safety, stability, and support. Ask yourself, do I feel supported in my life? Am I carrying a heavy burden in me? Am I afraid of moving forward? These emotions can manifest as physical pain. Let us use EFT tapping to release both the physical pain and the emotional root. Okay? Let's start with karate chop point. This is the karate chop point. Follow along with me. Even though I have this sciatic pain and it feels overwhelming, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. We'll say it 3 times. Even though I have this sciatic pain and it feels overwhelming, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this sciatic pain and it feels very overwhelming, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. In the first round of tapping, we are going to acknowledge the pain. So follow along with me. Tap 5 to 7 times on each point. Okay? First, let's start with eyebrow point. The sciatic pain. Side of the eye, this sharp shooting pain. Under the eye, it's so uncomfortable. Under the nose, I can barely move. Chin, this pain in my back, my hip, and my leg. Collarbone, it's exhausting. Under the arm, I'm so tired of this pain. Top of the head, the sciatic pain. Now relax your hand, take a deep breath, exhale through your mouth. Now, in the next round, we are going to explore the emotional root. Okay, let's start. Eyebrow point. What if this pain is trying to tell me something? Side of the eye. Maybe I don't feel supported. Under the eye. Maybe I'm carrying too much burden. Tap 5 to 7 times at each point. Okay. Under the nose. Maybe I'm afraid to move forward. Chin. Maybe I'm holding on to old burdens. Both the collarbone. This pain might be protecting me from something which I don't understand probably. Under the arm. But I'm ready to let it go. Top of your head. I am ready to release this pain now. Relax your hand and take a deep breath. Exhale. Now, in the final round, we are going to release the pain and also the stuck emotions. Okay, let's start. Eyebrow point. I choose to release this pain. Side of the eye. I choose to feel supported. Under the eye. I am safe in my body. Under your nose. I trust life that supports me. Chin. I release the need to carry everything alone. Collarbone. My body knows how to heal. Under your arm, I allow healing energy to flow through my sciatic nerve. Top of your head, I am pain free and supported and whole. Keep your hand on your heart, take a deep breath, exhale. Notice how your body feels. You may feel lighter, calmer, or even subtle shift in the pain. If you can notice the shift, please share it in the comment box. If not, repeat the process couple of times every day for minimum of 7 days to see the shift, you know, or till you get relief from the pain. Till then, keep doing it. Trust the process, save this video, and keep repeating it till you get relief. Alright? Now let's ground this healing with root chakra work. Let's do root chakra healing now for your lower body stability. Alright? The root chakra is located at the base of your spine. It is the energy center that governs your sense of safety, stability, and support. It's also connected to your lower body, your hips, your legs, and your sciatic nerve. When your root chakra is blocked or imbalanced, you may experience lower back pain, sciatica, or you may be feeling certain kind of instability in your life. Now, let's do the root chakra healing practice. Now, keep your hand on the lower part of your lower belly. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath. Exhale through your mouth. Visualize a warm and red glowing light at the base of your spine. This is your root chakra. See it glowing brighter with each breath. As you breathe, imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, down through your hips, your legs, and deep into the earth. These roots are strong, stable, and grounding you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more supported. The earth is holding you. You're safe. Now bring your awareness to your sciatic nerve. Imagine the red healing light from your root chakra flowing down through your hips, your buttocks, down your legs, all the way to your feet. This healing light is soothing the inflammation, releasing the tension, and restoring balance to your nervous system. Repeat after me either silently or say it out loud. I am safe. I am supported. My body is healing. I am grounded and stable. Take one more deep breath and exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Fantastic. You have just activated your root chakra and sent healing energy directly to the area that needs it most. So let's recap what we have done today to support your sciatica healing. Okay, we did three things. First, I shared kitchen remedy, ginger, turmeric, anti-inflammatory paste to reduce physical inflammation. What we did second was EFT tapping. We did EFT tapping together to release pain and the emotional root of sciatica. Then the third we did was root chakra healing to restore stability, safety, and grounding energy to your lower body. This is holistic healing. We are not just treating the symptom, we are addressing the root cause on every level physical, emotional, and energetic. For best results, apply the ginger turmeric paste 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, do the EFT tapping sequence every single day, couple of times if possible, or at least once a day. Okay, especially when the pain flares up, do it regularly. Practice the root chakra visualization every morning or evening. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more natural healing tools. Drop a comment below and let me know, do you struggle with sciatica? What has helped you from this video? Thank you for being here. I'm sending your way so much love and healing. Take good care of yourself. You deserve to feel good in your body. See you soon.